Hey guys, it's Dr. Keem. I just wanted to give you a quick video here just to make sure I'm clear on how you're supposed to access assignments and work on them. At least for this first week, this is how most of the assignments will work. This is the modules page, which you get to over here. And I told you in the overview video, this is where we're going to spend most of our time in the class. But if you come down to the first day here, August 24th through the 28th, obviously first day is August 24th. Day one, get to know you. Just want to have you give me a little bit of information about yourself. So all you got to do is click on this link right here, and it'll open up the assignment. So it says answer these 3 questions. You got a couple options. You can click Submit Assignment, and you can type it into this text entry right here. You just type it in that box right there. Or if you're more comfortable using Word and just create a document, you can do that, and then you just click File, Upload, click Choose File, and then you go find that file and upload it, and then click Submit Assignment. And then you're all set. So hopefully this helps you out, and looking forward to get to know you better.